guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video and welcome back to a new fashion video. Now don't get me wrong, I still love having a closet full of clothes because now my work involves buying a lot of clothes, styling them. So it's kind of all turned out really good for me. But still there are certain items that now I prefer investing in them instead of getting them at cheaper rates and buying a lot of it. There are like 7 things that I'm going to talk about in today's video that I think are worth investing in, that I think you should invest in, and instead of getting like a bulk of these items in inexpensive rate, I think you should choose quality over quantity for these 7 pieces.
Arizona thunder tonight.
Now this is a change that I made a couple of years back when I invested in some jeans from Levi's, and I realized that oh my god, having good quality jeans totally changes the game for you. I think jeans is one thing जिसमें you can very easily tell difference between a cheap one and a good quality denim. मैं अगर अपनी पहले वाली जीन्स देखती हूँ जो कि मैं नॉर्मल लाइक किसी भी ब्रांड से ले लेती थी, और I even bought some from Sarojini which I personally don't like anymore. I don't like their fit, their fade, like anything of that sort. So Levi's is definitely one brand that I would say you can try, you should try, and you should invest in if you love wearing jeans. I love wearing jeans, so I think it's an investment worth making because I wear it all the time and jeans never go out of trend. Secondly, H&M. I have so many denim wale and twill trousers as well from H&M, and all of them are so damn good. So definitely check out H&M. Even Zara has really good quality jeans. And the 4th brand that I have to yet try, but I know for a fact कि उनकी quality बहुत अच्छी होती है, is Mango. Now I recently tried jeans from a small business called Off Duty, and I actually was not expecting much from it, but when I got their jeans, I absolutely loved it. I've already done a video on it. This is the video I'm talking about. You should definitely check it out if you want to know my in-depth review of that brand and the denim and everything.
Arizona thunder tonight.
I've always said this, that 70% of your closet should be basic items, and hence you should invest in them because you'll wear them for a longer period. वो ऐसा नहीं होता कि वो trend में आएंगे जाएंगे. Like a white t-shirt will always be an item that you need in your closet. A black t-shirt, a beige t-shirt. I think these are pieces that you need in your closet. Whatever the trend may be, whatever aesthetic is on trend for any period of time. So I think you should always invest in basics. Again, I really like basics from H&M and Zara. Now this is not just for t-shirt. I'm talking about basics of any sort, like leggings. अगर आप H&M का leggings लोगे, the quality is so good. The leggings feel so soft. I love their leggings. So even for leggings, for spaghetti tops, tank tops, t-shirts, I'm talking about all the basics here. Now if you know of any brand that makes really good basics or basic clothing pieces, then please tell it in the comments.
Arizona thunder tonight.
Now I remember 6 to 7 years back, I had almost like more than, I'm even ashamed to say this, more than 50 footwears. I was obviously a hoarder. I used to buy footwears left and right. Then I think I bought my first like expensive footwear. I got Adidas Stan Smiths, which I still own. They are almost like 7 years old, and well, it's just amazing that I still have them and I still wear them. And I realized how good like a good quality expensive footwear feels like, how comfortable they are. Obviously I say this for all my footwears, but then still like अभी भी मैं थोड़ा सा inexpensive ले लेती हूँ, मुझे कुछ sale में मिलता है and all that. But then for my shoes, for my sneakers, I don't compromise there. So I think you should definitely invest in a good pair of sneaker, like white sneaker, जो कि आप Adidas, Nike, Puma, whatever the brand of your choice, you can get it from there. And running shoes if you need it, like if you need a good pair of gym shoe, running shoe, then please invest in a Nike or an Adidas. You won't regret it for sure.
Arizona thunder tonight.
I've said this before, I'll say this again, and I'll always say that please don't buy inexpensive watches. I've made that mistake in the past. Like all of these points are coming from a place of experience, believe me. I always say that you need like 1 or 2 good pair of watches, and I currently own 5. Well, because I love watches, so any chance of buying a watch, I don't miss it. You're definitely familiar with this watch. I've been wearing it in almost every video, every styling video. I style it with so many pieces, so you know for a fact कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा versatile है. So now before you ask me कि ये watch के बारे में like give us the link or your other watches, I got you covered. I've already done a watch collection on this channel. I'll link it here. Definitely make sure you check it out after watching this video.
Arizona thunder tonight.
I think this is a no shocker, a no brainer. I think bras are something that you should like invest in. Don't buy कोई भी ऐसा ही cheap bra. I have done again that mistake in the past. I bought bras from street stores. Even Sarojini वगैरह में जो bras वगैरह मिलती है, मैंने वो भी बहुत ली हुई हैं, and they are not of good quality. Like let's be real here. They look good as a fancy सी होंगी, but they don't give you enough support. And especially I'm saying this for a nude bra. Now currently I like to buy my bras from Zivame, and almost every bra that I own right now is from Zivame. I think their quality is pretty good, and वहाँ पे हर चीज़ की variety मिल जाती है. There's like a good variety in each category. So yes, I would also recommend you to check that. I've heard that bras from Marks and Spencer are really good. And yes, one more thing, I like bras from Westside a lot. Westside की bras and their sports bras दोनों इतनी amazing है. I've always said this, your undergarments can change the look of your outfit, can change your outfit game. So make sure you're investing in the right one.
Arizona thunder tonight.
Now first let me make this one thing clear. I'm obviously not talking about like luxury brands, Gucci, Chanel. मैं इन सब की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. Obviously that is a big investment, and I don't even know right now कि if it's worth making or not or all that. उस subject में मुझे कुछ knowledge नहीं है. I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about like good quality brands which are not well that expensive. ठीक ठाक वाले जो होते हैं. Now this point can actually get a little tricky. I am not saying that invest in every bag you own or every bag you buy. Here I'm saying कि जो भी एक या दो बैग है which you know you'll use every day or you use the most, invest in that first. Also I think I forgot to mention before, which I should have actually, that investing is a very subjective thing. Affordability is a very subjective thing. You have to see your budget and आपके हिसाब से what is expensive, what is an investment that is worth making. I forgot to give out that disclaimer earlier. Dikshita, you had one job, but ठीक है, you get my point, right? So make sure that you invest in a good bag.
Arizona thunder tonight.
So if there is any jewelry item like maybe a ring or a necklace that you know you love the most and you like wearing the most, I would say if it's possible get it made in real gold. I've always loved rings and मैं बहुत rings पहनती हूँ, but normally वो fashion jewelry होती है and वो tarnish हो जाता है and they turn green and everything, and sometimes they even react with your skin as well. So I took this decision of getting these ones in gold made, and I've never regretted it. I wore them so much. Now for this you have to first decide कि what is that one jewelry piece that you like the most. For some people it can be earrings, for someone it can be like a necklace. For me it was rings, for you it can be rings also. So this goes for fine jewelry. Now coming to fashion jewelry, like more inexpensive ones, I used to buy a lot of fashion jewelries. You have seen my hauls, you have seen how much I love buying them because I like wearing jewelry a lot. So even for jewelry, the brands I really like are first H&M. H&M का jewelry बहुत अच्छा है. They don't have like a big variety, but I think कि उनका जितना भी jewelry collection है वो है भी बहुत अच्छा, and the quality is really good. And the second one is Accessorize. Accessorize की jewelry भी बहुत अच्छी होती है. And yes, that's it. With that we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. This is something new that I decided to try. I hope you liked it. Now if you know of any fashion item or clothing piece that you think is worth investing in, then tell us in the comments. I think it will help everyone out. And yes, that's it. Make sure that you like the video. Comment करना, subscribe करना. I am waiting for you, so please go. अभी नीचे scroll करो and subscribe करो. I'm gonna wait for you. Have you done that? Bye guys. Make sure that you're taking care of your mental health. Have lots of water. Eat yummy food and work out कर लेना. Bye.